Hi everyone. Today's topic is an internal working of the hash map. This hash map is a child class of the map which will store the value in the form of key value pair. Let us create one simple map with taken one map with an key as a string and an value as an integer. Taken a map as a reference and then I'm going to create a new hash map. When we create this new hash map, it will internally create an array of buckets and that bucket size is 16. Here this is a bucket. The bucket size is 16. The array size will index will start with an 0 index with ends with an 15. This is an array of index with an size as an 16. Each bucket is called as a node. Each of the buckets is called as a node or a linked list which contain internal structure as like this: key value, uh, like this: key value, hash code and null. It internally contain a key value, hash code and null. When we insert the value into the map, the map which contain an put method, map contain an put method, map dot put of, I'm taking an key as an FB and a value as an 1. When I insert an value into the map with an put method, key as an FB and a value as an 1, this put which internally contain an calculate like this: put of key comma value. It will contain like the internally contain like this put method which internally calculate the hash of key. It is when we calculate, then internally calculate the hash of key. This put method which calculate and internally calculate the hash of key. This hash of key which internally calculate the hash code. It will internally calculate the hash code. This hash of key which internally calculate the hash code, it is used to it help to store the value in the specific index. This hash code helps us to store the value, this value in the particular index, in the specific index, and we use it to get the particular key, and get by using it is used to get the particular key from the sorry, it is also used to retrieve the value from the particular key. Use it to store the value in the specific index, and it is used to retrieve the value from the particular key. Use it to store the value in the particular index and use it to get the value. Use it to get the value from the particular key. This hash code is coming from this hash code is coming from the object class. It is coming from the object which is an parent class of all the other class. Object class is a parent class of all the other class. When we have like this, now hash code is equals to hash of key means the key value is an FB. The key value is an FB. Let us think we have got an hash code as an we have got an hash code value 2236. For this we calculate an index. We have a formula for index, that is an hash code and n minus 1. N is an length of the array. N minus 1. Let us think we got an index as an 4. We have got an index value as an 4. Now in this fourth index we are going to store the key and value. In this fourth index we are going to store an key value, hash code and the null. The null it is a null because there is no other linked list. If we have one more linked list, we are going to store the next linked list address. The key value is an FB and the value is 1. and hash code is 2236. Come on, there is no other linked list, so it is null. Let us take one more uh, hash code. That is, let us take one more put map dot put of string abc and value as 2. Value as 2, it will calculate an hash of key. The key is an abc. Let us think we got an hash code as 1112. So the index will be, let us think we got an index as a 5. So now I'm going to store this value in the fifth index. I got an index value as an 5 by use. Same we have to calculate like this only. So I got an index value. Let us think we got an index value as an 5. Now I'm going to store the key value and their hash code in the fifth index. In the fifth index position. I got an key as an ABC, value is 2, hash code is 1112. There is no next linked list, so it is null. For one more example, just think map dot put of caps EA and value is 3. So we have to calculate an hash of key. The key is an EA. Now let us think we have got an hash code as an same 2236. If we are getting an hash code as 2236, we'll definitely get an index value as an 4. When we calculate the index value, then next we are going to get an index value as an 4. See here, I got an hash code as an 2236. So on that time, I'm getting an index value as an 4. Then this for this key value EA also I got an hash code as in 2236. So I got an index value as in 4. But already one linked list, one node is already present in this fourth index. If we add one more node within the same bucket, if we have a multiple nodes, that is called as an hashing collision. Right here, if we have multiple nodes in same bucket, if we have multiple nodes in same bucket, that is called as an hashing collision. It is called as an hashing collision. If we have an multiple nodes within the same bucket, that is called as an hashing collision. Then to avoid this hashing collision, this HashMap is internally calculated dot equal operator. Now I have to before storing this, to avoid this hashing collision, the HashMap is internally calculated dot equal operator. We all know that it is going to internally calculate it dot equal operator. How means that is an key dot equals of one more key. Now I for first one the key value FB, that is key first one is an FB dot equals of the next one. The next key is an EA. See, this key FB and this key both are not equal. If the both are equal, if we here also EA and here also EA is there, means then in this fourth index position, instead of FB, we are going to place a new key value. New key value. If it is same, if it is both the keys are same, then we are going to replace with FB with the second one. This is first one. Next, we are going to, if it is same, then we are going to replace with second one. Now it is not same. See here, this key value is different, this key is different, so both are not same. So I'm going to add one more linked list here. Here, let me add one more linked list. So the key is an EA, value is 3, hash code is an 2236. And here in this place I'm going to contain a next value address. This is here we are going to contain next value address. Now I am going to get here is there is no next one. So here it is null. There is no next linked list, so it is null. Like this, it is going to add a next linked list. If the both the keys are same, means it is going to replace the first one with the second key. If it is not same, by using a dot equal operator, we are going to see it like we are going to check the what is equal or not. If it is not equal, we are going to add a linked list. If the key is null, the key, see here the key is an FB are taken, the key is an ABC are taken, here the key is an E are taken. If the key, if the key is null, how means map dot map dot put off. If key is null, there is no nothing. If the key is null, the value is there. If it is the key is null, then the entry will directly placed in the zeroth index. If the key is null, then it will directly place in the zeroth index. Here it is going to place the node. We are going to place and key value is null. The value is 4. And then we are going to we don't need to calculate any hash code. Directly we are going to place this one in the directly in the zeroth index. Yes. This is about the internal working of the HashMap. Thank you.